Okay, we're still hoeing in sunny Suffolk. It's still dry here. In some places the land is beginning to crack, and in the last few days of March it just shows you how incredibly dry it is here. So even though on heavy land, you know, we're not worrying yet, it's still beginning to, it's about to sort of beginning to get a bit worrying, because cracking in March is pretty unusual. This field, for some reason, we haven't got, we didn't map with the drill on our RTK system, so I'm steering it by hand. So I'm having to be a bit careful taking this shot and doing that at the same time. But we're in the crop of winter barley, and one of the reasons for showing you this is that I did a clip earlier on for YouTube on the drill in the autumn, talking about cooch, and saying that the hoe, even though it doesn't get rid of cooch, you know, if we're going through it now, it's chopping the tops off the cooch plants, and so it's got to start all over again, whereas the barley, you know, will keep on growing, and hopefully it'll get ahead of the cooch and shade it out, so it won't be such of a problem. But it's all trial and error, and we're learning all the time. Just a quick flick behind to see what the hoe's doing, bearing in mind I've got to keep steering. As you can see, there's quite a bit of tilth there still. Some of the barley is sort of being slightly buried, but it springs back within a couple of days, so it's not too much of a worry. But as you can see, it's still making quite an aggressive job and chopping out those grass weeds.